Now let's look at this question here. The potential difference across the three capacitors respectively are. Now here is the circuit. Now we're given the potential difference here for the overall potential difference is 12 volts, and here are the capacitors in series. So let's say this is C1, C2, and C3. Now because they are in series, they will definitely have a common charge flowing through them. Now, but the voltage at which the three operate will definitely be different. The V1, V2, and V3. Okay. Now, first of all, what we just need to do here now is to find the circuit charge. Okay, let us first of all find the effective capacitance of the circuit. And since these three capacitors are in series, so here we have 1 over C. C represents the effective capacitance, 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 plus 1 over C3. So to this time, we have 1 all over C1 is 2 plus 1 all over C2 is 6 plus 1 all over then 3. Now let's find the LCM, which is 6. Here we have 3 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, that is 2 in 6 will give us 3, 6 in 6 will give us 1, 3 in 6 will give us 2. So we end up having 6 all over 6, and that because 3 plus 1 plus 2 give us 6. Okay, so here we have 1 all over C. So, and 6 here, 1, 6 here, 1. So 1 all over C, which is the effective capacitance, will give us 1, which actually implies that the effective capacitance is what? 1. Okay, now let us recall that in a circuit containing capacitors, charge equals to what? CV. Okay, where C is the capacitance and V is the potential difference. Now let's calculate for the value of charge flowing through them. So, and this will give us the charge here, the effective capacitance is 1, then times the overall volt, that will be 12, which will give us what? 12. Okay, now to this time, now let us now find the potential difference across each of the capacitor C1, C2, C3. Now from this formula here, now C1, now V1. Okay, so making V1 the square of formula, we get to have that V1 equals whatever was C1, and applying this rule to every other one. So we have that V2 equals to the charge over our C2, and V3 will give us charge over our C3. So now be 12 all over C1 is what? 2, which will give us what? 6 volts, and this will give us 12 all over C2, which is 6, will give us 2 volts, and 12 all over C3, which is 3, that will give us what? 4 volts. Okay, and if you add everything together, you have 6, this 8 plus 4, which is this. Now it implies here that as the charge flows, now for C1, for C3, 4 volts, 4 volts, now C2, 2 volts, and V1, for C1, 6 volts. All right, please don't forget to share this with others learners. Thank you, and God bless you.